The scene opens with a vibrant coral reef. Little shark, a curious and friendly shark, swims happily among the colorful fish. Welcome to the magical world of the coral reef, where little shark lives with his friends. Little shark, swimming around. Hello everyone, what a beautiful day. Fish friends, hi little shark. Little shark notices something shiny hidden among the rocks. Little shark, look, what's that? Little shark discovers a mysterious treasure chest hidden in the coral. Little shark, wow, a treasure chest. Little shark tries to open the treasure chest, but realizes it's locked. Little shark, oh no, it's locked. How can we open it? Little shark and his friends search the reef for a key. They come across Wise Turtle, an old and wise turtle who knows the secrets of the sea. Wise Turtle, hello young ones, what brings you here? Little shark, we found a treasure chest, but it's locked. Do you know where the key is? Wise Turtle, smiling, follow me, I might have an idea. Wise Turtle leads them to a hidden cave deep in the reef. Wise Turtle, inside this cave lies the key to the treasure chest. Little shark, wow, it's dark in there. With bravery in their hearts, little shark and his friends venture into the cave. They find the key hidden in a sparkling shell. Little shark, we found it, the key to the treasure chest. Fish friends, hooray! To unlocking the treasure, they rush back to the treasure chest and unlock it with the key. With a click, the treasure chest opens, revealing its secrets. Little shark, excitedly, wow, look at all these shiny treasures. Sharing the joy with little shark and his friends, decide to share the treasure with other sea creatures. Little shark, let's share this treasure with everyone. The sea creatures rejoice in the treasure and celebrate together. A lesson learned from Wise Turtle smiles at the sight of unity among the sea creatures. Wise Turtle, remember, the greatest treasures are found in friendship and kindness. Little shark, thank you Wise Turtle. We've learned a valuable lesson today. As the sun sets, little shark and his friends bid farewell to Wise Turtle. Little shark, goodbye Wise Turtle. Thank you for your wisdom. With hearts full of joy and lessons learned, little shark and his friends swim off into the sunset, ready for their next adventure. The scene fades out as the sea creatures swim away, leaving the coral reef in peace. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Danyal Haider cartoons for kids. Farewell.